As I write this letter, my heart's beating much too fast for my pain. Soon I'll be home in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, I really will pour. But most of all, I just want to hear that wonderful sound, I love you. It brings some music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound, I love you. Why did we ever have to part? I need reassuring. Those thoughts have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been in this so long again. So when I'm home, I just want to hear that wonderful sound, I love you. It brings the music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound, I need you. My love, whatever did we part? My love, whatever